if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Okay guys, so I know the elephant in the room is this ombre hair, which is obviously not mine because I don't have ombre in my hair, but you guys, I cannot get enough of this ombre in this hair. Today's video is going to be in partnership with one of my favorite brands. I've worked with them probably at this point more than 4 or 5 times. This may be my 6th time or 5th time, something like that, but I've tried out their clip-in extensions and they're phenomenal. Like, the quality is great for the price. Affordable, high quality clip-in extensions. I love their clip-ins. You guys have told me how nice their clip-ins look and how believable they look because they blend just right with my natural hair. But today I actually have something completely different from clip-ins, and I have this drawstring ponytail. This is my first drawstring ponytail ever. I wasn't really sure how it was gonna look, you know, if it was gonna look fake or anything like that, but I think it actually looks believable. Like, it just looks like I have long hair, long thick full hair, and it's really cute. It's curls. This is their packaging with the hair comes in. So this is their natural curly texture. The clip-in extensions that I have from curls are also in the natural curly texture, and this is in 16 inches. So I wanted for the ponytail to have a bit of length to it. You know, I didn't want like a short ponytail. I wanted something that would hang a little bit. The ombre, I feel it just goes really nice with my skin tone. I'm really happy with the color paint wax that I chose. There wasn't a lot of shedding when I was washing it either, but you guys are gonna see the entire process, how I got to here. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the hair after I shampooed and deep conditioned it. The curls are looking really good. So now I'm going to move on to applying my leave-in conditioner. I'm taking the Soultanicals Knot Sauce to get the hair nice and moisturized. So I'm taking a generous amount and just spreading that throughout the hair. And also I'm going to go ahead and use my brush to help me distribute the product. So after that, I'm following up with the Marula Maru Moisture Guru by Soultanicals, and I'm just repeating the same exact process with the leave-in, just putting it on the hair first and then taking my brush to help me distribute the product more. So afterwards, I'm taking my extra virgin olive oil, that's all that's in this bottle, and I'm using that to seal in the moisture. Now we're going to move on to my gel of choice. This is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Gel. I purchased this to do a wash and go on my natural hair, and this combo came out so good. You guys, I have to try this exact same combination for my natural hair. So I'm just working that through the hair section by section and using my brush to help me distribute the gel. So you can leave the ponytail just like this without any color, but I wanted to add a little bit of color to the hair and do this ombre effect. So I'm taking my OMBRE hair paint wax. This is in the shade Golden Bars, and I started applying the hair paint wax just to like the ends of the hair, but I found it a lot easier just to pick up my mannequin head and apply it to both the ends and also like mid shaft. I'm gonna let it air dry overnight and we're gonna see the results tomorrow. So this is the next day. The ponytail is 100% dry, and in natural lighting, the color looks a little bit different. It's more on the golden side. So I really like how that turned out. Now, as for my hair styled in a day 3 twist out. So a twist out as usual. It doesn't really matter how your hair is styled to achieve this look. So I'm just taking my hair out of the pineapple, spritzing it with some water, and then I'm going to take my Camille Rose Naturals Fresh Curl to apply as my gel, quote unquote. You guys know that I'm not using edge control on my edges in my nape anymore. I'm trying to get them healthy. So this is my substitute, and I'm going to follow that up with extra virgin olive oil. So I just basically moisturized and sealed my hair, and I'm going to take my boar bristle brush to brush it back. So now I'm just gathering my hair up into a high ponytail to the side, and I'm taking my bungee band, wrapping it around 4 times to put my hair up. So I decided to add a little bit more of fresh curl to the front of my hair just because I felt like it wasn't enough to keep my hair really sleek. So I just put some more and I'm brushing that back. Because this isn't gel, of course, it's not going to hold as well per se. So I'm taking my scarf and I'm going to leave that on for 10 minutes to help my hair lay flat. So this is 10 minutes later. I'm just going to take my scarf off, and as you guys are going to see momentarily, my hair is laid. So I love this product, the Fresh Curl. It works really great, and I don't have to use any gel to achieve the sleek look. So now I'm just brushing my baby hairs, and I'm putting my hair up into like a small bun, the smallest bun that I can possibly do. And I'm also going to take my hair tie just to make it really secure. Okay, so after that, we're going to take the ponytail, of course. I'm using my Miche Polish Hair and Scalp Oil to scrunch out the crunch, because the Main Choice gel definitely has great holds, but it makes the hair kind of crunchy. So I'm just scrunching that out. And I wanted to show you guys the construction of the ponytail. There's a comb at the top and also at the bottom. And then at the very bottom of the ponytail, there's the drawstring. So this is how you're going to install it. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a second. So now I'm taking the ponytail, I'm attaching that top clip to the top of my ponytail, attaching the bottom clip to the bottom of my ponytail, and then I'm just pulling the drawstring to tighten and secure the ponytail. After that, I'm going to take the remaining part of the drawstring, wrap that around the ponytail, and also take a piece of hair and wrap that around the ponytail as well to cover up the drawstring. And these are my final results, you guys. Like I said, I cannot get enough of this ponytail and also the ombre. It turned out perfectly. So if you guys are interested in curls, definitely use my coupon code and check the link down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.